Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enter 1099 MISC from TurboTax. This is essential for accurately reporting any miscellaneous income you've received during the tax year, ensuring your return is complete and compliant. Start by opening your TurboTax app by opening a browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials associated with the account where you're filing your taxes. This step is crucial as it gives you access to all your tax documents and previously saved information. Once your account has loaded, you'll see your TurboTax dashboard. To enter 1099 MISC from TurboTax, start by heading to your left navigation menu and click on Federal. This is where you'll manage all federal tax-related entries and deductions. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, hover your cursor over Income and the menu will expand. This section contains all the different types of income you can report, from wages to investments to miscellaneous earnings. From the expanded options, click on Miscellaneous Investment Income. This is the specific category where your 1099 MISC information will be entered. From here, you'll be asked to select which of any miscellaneous income applies to you. TurboTax provides various options to ensure you're reporting the right type of income. Click on the checkbox to select the appropriate option that matches your 1099 MISC form. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue at the bottom. This confirms your choice and moves you forward in the process. Now, the process will become straightforward. Simply fill in the fields provided by TurboTax, and you'll be walked through the whole process. TurboTax is designed to guide you step by step, prompting you for information like payer details, amounts received, and any withholdings. Make sure to have your 1099 MISC form handy so you can accurately transfer the information. And that's it. You've successfully entered your 1099 MISC into TurboTax, ensuring all your miscellaneous income is properly reported for your tax return. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.